Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, it's the girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo! How are them? Now guys, today I just wanted to come to you and speak to you like a one-on-one thingy. You don't know. It's really a 2-year update being on YouTube, what I've learned, how I've grown, and you know my experience on YouTube. I just wanted to come to you guys and thank you guys for sticking out with me, my skylifers, my rating body, you know. And I just wanted to talk to you guys about my experience that I've had in the last 2 years and how I use YouTube as a platform to learn. Now, the first thing that I must say YouTube has taught me is to really believe in yourself. No, but they always believe in themselves, but YouTube has taught me that if you see something that you really want to do, go ahead and do it because it is possible. The mere fact that I have the opportunity to connect with people right across the world, you know, and they look out for my videos, that is a feeling that I feel so good about. You know, people can learn from me, I can inspire people, and you know, it's just so grateful that I came up on this platform and that I'm using it to the best of my ability. Now, a thing that you guys might not know is I almost gave up on YouTube a couple of months ago, where I was off YouTube about 8 months, you know, and I pondered long and hard to deactivate my account. But I was looking at myself and said, no, this is something that you really like to do. People really look forward to hearing from you. You know, you have so much to share. You have so much more people to inspire, you know, and that led me to really stay because you guys, my subscribers, my skylifers were there to say, hey Melica, I'm gonna see your upload. Hey Melica, I really want to hear from you. Hey Melica, you really inspire me. You know, that really pushed me far away and I appreciate it so much. The other thing that I learned about YouTube is trying to be consistent. For the couple of months that I was out, I wasn't consistent, and I saw the effects on that in my subscription count and my views. But that didn't discourage me because I knew what I was about, so I kept uploading my content. And up to today, I still be getting subscribers even when I do not upload, because what? I try to create content that resonates with people, you know, that connects with people. So YouTube has taught me to how to create content that engages people and have people want to know a little bit more about you, you know. Another thing YouTube has helped me with is my self-confidence. You don't know me, I'm a pretty confident girl, same way, but YouTube has elevated that confidence level for me, you know. In terms of me just being consistent, me being creative in terms of editing my video, and you know, being more rounded in the things that I'm doing in terms of YouTube, my visuals, like I can visualize what I want a video to look like and stuff like that. And I must say, having the passion for YouTube, that is what gives me those skills. So I've learned additional skills. I know now how to do voiceovers, how to edit pretty clean with a basic editing software. I know how to add music. I know how to do a lot of things in terms of YouTube, create a proper thumbnail. You know, when I just got started, I remember I speak about this in quite a number of my videos. When I just got started, somebody that I thought that would be with me, like 100% behind me, I had 19 subscribers and they were like, oh, you just have 19 subscribers. That was so discouraging, but you 19 subscribers has pushed me to come this far, you know, and you know, prove them wrong. So yeah, I'm 19 subscribers and I'm going to kill me and stuff. I'm going to tell them a good, you know, and I passed 19, I passed 100, I passed 500, and you know, I'm just so grateful for that. And I'm just so happy that I have a platform that I could share my experience on in terms of my weight loss. Because if you watch my video, if you're watching my videos from day one, I was not looking the way I look now, and I was able to share some of my tips that I've learned to lose weight, and you guys have seen my journey in terms of losing the weight as well. So I'm glad about that, so we can inspire people in that way as well. Now YouTube as well as provided a platform for me to launch my business in terms of, you guys don't know that me and the girl with the belly gone. You know, I launched my website where I sell belly gone to people all over the world. And what an encouragement to really inspire people, and people coming to you and say, oh, I'm interested in the belly gone. You know, and I can say, go there and order and I'll ship it off to you. That is a good thing that I'm grateful. You know, YouTubers taught me to be grateful. You know, I taught me to be myself, you know, because if I was myself, I'm gonna take me down to go and do so. You know, it's taught me to be myself, accept who I am as a person at my core. You know, and you guys will understand how much YouTube has played a big role in my life. When people say Sky Life, I'm just so happy, they smile now. You know, so big up on a damn self. Please feel free to leave a comment, shout me out on Instagram. I move to Instagram more. Follow me on Instagram and connect with me there. Link me up on Snapchat, you don't know, and subscribe. Share with your friend and tell them to the big bad YouTuber in town, MELICASKYLIFE there. And I want to thank you guys so much for supporting me over this past 2 years. And it's gonna be more years to come. I really appreciate you guys. And I'm looking forward to doing more videos for you, more bigger and better videos. An update, I want to be going more into really traveling and giving you guys new experiences. You know, my vlogs, I want them to be more content based. I want to just provide a value phone and a bag of things, and that's what I'm working towards. And I hope you guys continue to support me and the journey that we are on to becoming the best version of ourselves. So thank you guys.